Let's talk about the latest launched ZTE smartphone Nubia Z70s Ultra with camera-inspired design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with BOEQ9 plus AMOLED display, 6.85 inches 1.5K full view display, resolution of 1216 by 2688 pixels, approximately 95.3% screen-to-body ratio. Approximately 430 ppi pixel density, 2000 nits peak brightness, HDR10 color quality support, 144 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 35mm OmniVision Light Fusion 900 sensor main camera with aperture 1.7 and support optical image stabilization, along with 64 megapixel 70mm OmniVision OV64B 2.7x optical zoom periscope, telephoto camera with aperture 2.48 and support optical image stabilization, and with 50 megapixel 13mm OmniVision OV50D ultra-wide-angle macro camera with aperture 2.0 and ring LED. Dual-tone flash. For selfies it has 16 megapixel 24mm OmniVision OV16A1Q under display wide angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 8K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. The dedicated shutter key. You can quickly launch the camera from a locked phone by long pressing the shutter key, then you don't even have to move your finger to take photos. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Nebula AIOS 1.5 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 4.32 GHz dual-core Orion V2 Phoenix L plus 3.53 GHz hexa core Orion V2 Phoenix M, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB, 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.3 by 77.1 by 8.6 mm, and it weighs around 228 grams, and the color options, classic black, antique brown colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 6600 mAh battery with 80-watt wired fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features optical under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L2 plus L5, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1 charging port, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant, infrared remote control support, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ZTE Nubia Z70s Ultra has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 4,599 Chinese yuan, while 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 4,999 Chinese yuan, while 16 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 5,599 Chinese yuan, while the 24 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 6,299 Chinese yuan. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this ZTE Nubia Z70s Ultra photography edition smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.